Hey guys, look what's following me. He's following too close. He doesn't even have headlights. Oh, he's attached to my car. Well, we went with my friend Eugene. He doesn't want to be in video. He's camera shy, but he's right here next to me. And that's actually his car. He owned it 25 years ago, I think. He owned it, then he sold it, and now somehow the car is making its way back to him. Never been restored or anything. Like, that's the way he gave it to that guy, the same way he's getting it back 25 years later. So I'll show you a little bit more, but yeah, we went to pick it up for him, and now it's gonna be in his garage, and he's gonna try to put it back together. He didn't do it 25 years ago, but now he's determined and he's gonna do it. And by the way, my friend Eugene, I know through YouTube. He emailed me one day. He says, I'm watching your videos, I enjoy your videos, but you don't have enough tools, so why don't you just pass by my garage? I'm gonna give you some tools. And that was like, what, 3 years ago, 4 years ago? And ever since, I made, I don't know, countless visits, and in each visit he gives me tools and, you know, my press, all kinds of air tools, like loads of things, and I owe him a lot. Like half of my shop came through him for free. So now that he has a British car, because he's a Jeep guy, he has 7, 8 Jeeps? 9 Jeeps in his yard, in his property. But now he's gonna have a GT6, so now that's an opportunity for me to help him for all the years that he's been helping me. So anyways, we're gonna be in his shop soon, and we're gonna make a little tour of the car, because maybe she's gonna be in my videos pretty often, I guess. Anyways, let's drive there, and I'm gonna show you a little bit more about it. There she is. So we don't even know what year it is. It's a Mark III, obviously, but I don't know. Let me see here. What does it say here? Sorry, I have a crack in my camera again, in my lens protector, and that's why you can't see anything. I'm sorry. I'm trying to. There you go. If I zoom in, it changes the camera. So anyway, lots of work. She looks in a good shape. I checked most common places where they rust, and it looks good. I'm not sure if there's something there covered well. It's been patched. The pores have been patched with some flat sheet metal, so we're gonna have to look at it underneath. But yeah, she's in a pretty good shape. I think that's patched too. Oh. Yeah, there's some invisible patches. So maybe it's not in a great shape, but the price was good. I think he got it for free back, so that's fine. We can't complain. It comes with all the parts. It's a complete car. I have all the seats, interior, and everything is in the back of my truck. Bumpers, heads. The engine is taken apart and it's seized, unfortunately. The bottom is seized, but Eugene is a specialist. He's gonna put it together, no problem. Alright, so she's in Eugene's garage, and we're gonna start unloading the parts now. Look how many parts we have in the truck, and lots of parts inside her. Here you're gonna have a problem, I guess.
I noticed. It's bundle.
Yeah.
Is it through? Let's hope it's not through.
That's the problem with the Mark III. They rust here.
Underneath.
Yeah.
Isn't there a trim that goes on there?
Yeah, that's a trim. This you can remove.
Yeah.
And this is where the roof is spot welded to the windshield frame. But right here, and it rusts from inside out, it's not from outside. It rusts from inside out because of the condensation goes right there, and you don't have access there. You can't repair it from inside.
I've seen the way you did it.
Yeah, I did it in small pieces at the time because I didn't have an English wheel or anything at the time. But you're probably gonna, well, when you strip it, you will see maybe it's not, maybe it's in a
too
good
bad
shape.
we left this without any paint or nothing on it.
Yeah. Anyways, it's been patched. Somebody worked on it.
Yeah, that's the bad. That's real bad.
And the floors have been repaired, but with just flat metal, not with the original panels. Here, somebody made like a weird repair.
Yeah.
I made those end caps for the
I've
GT6
seen
that I'm
that.
working
I
on.
was thinking I've got a lot of steel around, thick steel, making a pressing for doing those.
All right, so we unloaded it. I'm sorry guys, I didn't show you too much, but my camera on my phone is like, I can actually show you. So you see what I'm filming with? That's why you see all these glares, and it's I figured there's no point shooting any more video, but yeah, he's gonna sort everything out now, and I'm gonna be coming and helping him here with this a lot, because he doesn't need much help. I mean, he's really good with metalworking and with engines and stuff. You should see his shop. He's full of all kinds of tools and equipment, and like has so much, it's crazy. So yeah, but with this car I'm gonna be helping him. I've been looking for ways to help him for years now, because I can't pay him for what he gave me, but at least if I can help him in other way, and that's a way for me to say thank you for all the equipment and tools that you gave me so far. So he's happy with me taking videos. He just doesn't want to be in camera, so that's fine. So that's gonna be it for today, but I'm hoping that we're gonna have more episodes of this restoration happening in the near future. So let me drive now. What I'm doing is not very legal, so let me drive now, and I'll see you soon. Bye.